Okay, here I am. I have put everything together except for erecting the sail. I had that up a little bit ago and I got some bad news from the state sheriff here as I was getting ready to give a maiden voyage for the Princess Echo, that because I have a sail, I have to register the boat with the state. Anything that has wind motor power other than oar power requires registration with the state, which is a little ridiculous given the size of this craft. The second thing was that this lake apparently requires a use permit, and it's like $26 for the rest of the year. And at this point in time, I don't have many weekends left. I have one weekend given my schedule, and apparently sailboats have to be out of the water by the 15 October. So, all right, it's time to christen the boat. I'm going to take her out for a paddle, see if my adjustments to the oar attachments, because there was some rotation I was achieving, and I think I may be putting washers on the inside. May have putting washers on the inside as well as on the outside as well as the inside attachment may help with the rotational flex I had in the piece of wood there. So, all right, time to batten the hatches and get ready for a maiden row.